I made the claim originally because of storm damage. So the first thing that I knew that anything was amiss was up here on the ceiling there was a patch of mould that started quite small, and over a period of a few weeks this mould patch started to get bigger and bigger. I didn't necessarily know what to do about it, and a friend of mine said, well, that would be from the storm that happened back in February. So you probably had storm damage to your veranda and that has created a mould issue. So I contacted the insurance company and we did a bit of investigations, and that actually was what the problem was. So essentially the insurance company had to fix the veranda, damage to the veranda, and then subsequently fix the mould issue. So AJ Grant actually came into the picture a little bit after my initial insurance claim. My insurance provider gave me, or I was appointed a different building company to work with initially. And there were a couple of issues that happened with that building company. They were reasonably unprofessional and not particularly helpful, and it became a little bit of a combative relationship. And I think I was quite stressed with the situation being a mould issue because I've got a 2-year-old, and I was really conscious that I wanted to make sure that the mould problem was addressed as thoroughly as possible. And so the insurance company decided to go with a different company, and they selected AJ Grant for me to work with. And I remember the day that I met the first employee from AJ Grant. His name was Steve, and I was in quite an unhappy mood that day because I was a little bit stressed and over it 2 months into the process. And I said to Steve, I've got to tell this story again, and this has been a problem for 2 months, and now I've got you guys. And Steve just said, we'll look after you. And he's like, you don't have anything to worry about. And he said, I promise you will be back in your home and it'll be safe and you'll feel comfortable. And he said, whatever you need from me, you can have it if you need a lot of communication or just a small amount of communication. And he said, but that's fine, we're gonna look after you. And he made me feel so relaxed and at peace for the first time actually in that entire process. And I just thought, I really like this guy, I really trusted him. And so that was Steve who headed up the mould restoration. So this room is probably one of the most important rooms to me. Being my little daughter's room, it was just so important that I felt confident that it was going to be a mould-free environment. So Steve spent a lot of time in particular making sure that the levels that had to be tested for the mould, that this room in particular came up as a good safety reading. And it did. So I know that a lot of time and effort and attention was put into this room in particular, and that was really important to me. So basically, my whole bedroom's new. So I think that's another thing. Because of the mould issue, everything in my bedroom had to be thrown out. So like literally every single item of furniture that I had in here was all tossed out, which is quite an emotional thing. So I really liked what I had in my bedroom. So anyway, it's all new and fresh in here. They had to pull the wardrobes out to put the floorboards in. They've repainted the bedroom. And there's actually quite a nice story, or one really nice addition, which I think sets AJ Grant apart, or at least I felt comfortable enough with AJ to put this request in, and I'll show you. I knew that I wanted a shelf put in here, but the plasterboard wouldn't have been able to handle the weight of the objects that I wanted to put on there. So I was able to ask the builders if they could put a beam at a particular height through the wall when they were putting the wall back in. And they were so happy to do that, which was just a little additional touch or a little extra that made a really big difference for me that they didn't technically have to do, but they were so happy to do it. And so they got their trades to put in the beam at the height that I requested, and then sent me a picture of the beam in place before the plasterboard went over the top, and then also sent the measurements of exactly where the beam was located. So then when I could put my shelf in, it was just easy. I was able to do it.